Hi folks, Mark.Kelson here today, Guaranty RV, to present to you this beautiful Thor 26B motorhome. Very nice family coach. Why don't we go in and see what it has to offer today. You like this? I do like this. The step is inside, so it's integrated into the well, so it's not coming out, and so you're not have the potential to shear it off or hit it, bump it, or forget about it. So come on in, it's awesome in here. This is one of my favorite floor plans. Coming in here, what I like is you got the couch and you got the dinette over there, and we can just sit here, we can have fun, we can play cards, we can do whatever it is, but you know, you've worked a long time in your life and this is what it's all about. So I love this coach. You also have very stylish amenities, nice cabinets, a lot of storage in this coach. So you can buy a lot of stuff when you're out there. Isn't it great? You do have the shades that go up and down. Coming back into the kitchen, one full stainless steel sink, along with an oven in the cooktop, the microwave up above, and coming to this side you have the refrigerator, and that is a refrigerator and freezer. One thing I like about this is somewhat deceptive in that it doesn't look like much right here, but check this out. When you go in there, that bathroom is huge. It is absolutely, you know, I just couldn't imagine that there's that much room in there for that big shower and so much elbow room in there. Now coming back here, you have the bed that is in the slide out that forms a queen bed, and this bed folds up. Nice cabinetry back here, a lot of storage. You do have ventilation on each side of the bed, along with the rear exit window. Man, that is cool. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. Speaking of beds, here's another one right here with a huge TV for entertainment. You know, vent up above. This is great. The cockpit, again, you got your nice backup camera, everything at the touch of a button, a nice place with all the cup holders you could ever want. You know, it's just a beautiful piece of machinery. Why don't we go outside and see what this baby has to offer. Well, outside you look at it and you've got some very pleasing colors on this coach. And one of the things that illuminates those colors is that strip of LED lighting up above right under that automatic awning that you've been given on this coach. A couple other things is the storage on the outside is nice on this too. You got this rotocast mold in here, so you can't put water in there and you won't have any damage whatsoever. You get water in there, it comes right out. This is great. Coming to the back, you have a ladder going up the top. It's over on the other side to get to the everything up there that you need to maintain. There's a rear camera, and you see the window there. This has a really strong bumper too, which is really nice. If you ever, you know, have a fender bender, it's, you know, it's going to take the brunt of it. Let's come up here. Got this nice cap up here, and beautiful style on that. Have little running boards on the side. Get up and into the cab easier. Your low water point right there, city water connection. Here's your generator, your 4000 right here. That'll power everything you have in this vehicle. Your water heater, your outdoor shower, your 30 amp cord. Here's your slide out with a Schwintek system on it. Very nice, very stylish. And here's another really nice storage area back here. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? You can get a lot of stuff in there. Well, folks, I'll tell you what. If this coach interests you, or any of the coaches we have on the lot, please give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson. My number 541-285-8791, or feel free to call the number at the bottom of your screen and ask for me. Thank you so much for watching today.